Do you know that it is illegal for children in Kansas City, Missouri to play with cap guns?
Okay.
But they can buy a real gun.
Really starting off with a bang there.
If you are a single male between the ages of 21 and 50, you are supposed to be paying a yearly tax of $1.
The Bachelor Law.
The Bachelor Law. Also, the installation of bathtubs with 4 legs that resemble giant animal paws, illegal.
Forbidden.
In Natchez, Missouri, do you know that you will be jailed if you give your elephant beer? It is illegal.
Someone had to have a really drunk elephant and they were just like, enough.
No more.
No more drunk elephants in this town.
We're making it a law.
It has become a problem.